Look up, I look up at night. Planets are moving at the speed of light. Climb up in the trees. The chance that you get is the chance you seize. How long am I gonna stand with my head stuck under the sand? I'll starve before I can stop, before I see things the right way up. All that noise and all that sound, all those places I got found, and birds go flying at the speed of sound. Show you how it all began. Birds come flying from the underground. If you see it, then you'd understand.